Most of us have opened the fridge and found food that looked perfectly fine just a few days ago. But now it's dry, soggy, or already going bad. You know what I mean. Leftover rice, marinated meat, cut vegetables, even snacks. Once air gets in, freshness doesn't last long, and yeah, that's frustrating. That's where vacuum sealing comes in. It's not just for bulk buyers or professional kitchens anymore. Compact handheld sealers like the OWKAR portable handheld vacuum sealer are designed for everyday homes, small kitchens, and even travel. In this video, we'll go through the top 10 features we love about the OWKAR handheld vacuum sealer based on real-world use. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you notice is just how easy this thing is to use. Like, seriously. You place your food in the vacuum bag, line the sealer up with the valve, press the button once, and that's it. The vacuuming starts automatically and stops on its own once the seal is complete. No guessing, no holding buttons, no timing things manually. It's very beginner-friendly. This feature works quietly in the background, but it actually makes a big difference. The sealer knows when enough air has been removed and stops automatically. That means you don't crush softer foods like bread or snacks, which is nice, and you don't overwork the motor either. It also makes removing the sealer quick and clean once the process is done. If you've ever tried vacuum sealing marinated meat or juicy foods, yeah, you already know liquids can be a problem. The OWKAR sealer includes a transparent, removable water tank that catches excess liquid before it reaches the motor. You can actually see when it needs emptying, remove it easily, and just rinse it out. Super simple. This makes it suitable for both wet and dry foods. Because of that water tank and the filter system, this sealer isn't limited to dry snacks only. You can use it for meats, fish, marinated items, cooked meals, vegetables, and fruits. It just gives you more flexibility for everyday food storage. By removing air and moisture, vacuum sealing slows down oxidation, which is basically the main reason food goes bad. Compared to regular containers or zip bags, sealed food stays fresher much longer. That means less waste, better taste, and yeah, fewer trips to the store. This is a cordless device, and honestly, that matters more than you might think. The built-in rechargeable battery can seal over 100 bags on a single charge, which is more than enough for regular home use. You're not tied to a socket, you're not fighting cables, you can just grab it and go. Charging is done via USB Type-C, which is great because it's the same cable many phones and devices already use. It charges faster and it's easier to replace if you lose the cable. Small detail, but very practical. This sealer is small enough to fit in a drawer, a backpack, or even a travel bag. That makes it useful not just at home, but also for camping, picnics, or travel, especially if you like preparing food in advance or keeping snacks fresh on the go. You don't need to buy bags separately right away, which is nice. The package includes 32 reusable, BPA-free vacuum bags in multiple sizes. They're washable, leak-proof, odor-free, and safe for the fridge, freezer, dishwasher, and microwave within temperature limits. Reusable bags also mean less plastic waste over time, so that's a win. The sealer comes with built-in safety features like auto shut-off, and everything is food-grade and BPA-free. So, Those are the top 10 features we love about the OWKAR portable handheld vacuum sealer. It's not trying to replace big countertop machines, and honestly, it doesn't need to. Instead, it focuses on convenience, portability, and everyday food storage, the stuff most people actually need. If you're trying to reduce food waste, stay organized, or make meal prep easier, a handheld vacuum sealer like this can quietly fit into your routine. And if you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more videos like this, and drop a comment if you want to see this tested with specific foods.